Let's talk about the different niches in real estate. So there are a few key players that we need to talk about. We have investors, builders, buyers, sellers, realtors/brokers, and property managers. Each of these key players do a different type of real estate. Investors, they buy existing properties. They either buy a single family, multifamily, or a commercial property. They either fix it up and sell it, or they fix it up and hold it, means they rent it out month by month. If it's single family, they rent to one family. If it's multifamily, they have multiple units where they can rent each unit to a different person or family. And of course, if it's a commercial property, they're going to go ahead and rent it out to a business. Builders make money by building spec homes. They take an existing floor plan and build multiple homes with the same floor plan. They buy all the material at a wholesale price, and then they make a profit when they sell the house at retail value. Next, buyers and sellers. So buyers and sellers are obviously looking for a primary residence. A seller wants to sell at top dollar, and a buyer preferably wants to buy low, similar to the stock market. So as a realtor, your job is to help your seller spruce up their house, declutter it, stage it, mention areas that need to be painted or fixed up or remodeled so they can sell for top dollar. If you are helping a buyer, your job is to be able to help them buy a home that not only is in their price point, but is something that they can make instant equity on. One of the ways that they can make instant equity is by buying an existing home, not a new construction, and by buying an existing home that needs a little TLC, like maybe just some cosmetic touches, for example, flooring and paint. They can buy this at a lower value, and then in 3 to 5 years when they move, they will have gained enough equity. Next, realtors and brokers. We all know our role as realtors. We go ahead and help buyers and sellers, and we make a commission off of each transaction. Brokers, of course, are the people that we work under, and because they give us all the marketing and advertising and education information, we go ahead and pay them a % of our commission. And that also includes, errors and omissions, insurance, and other things. But that's how brokers make money, is by being the head boss and by setting up the business so that all of us can work under that business. Last are property managers. Property managers are the ones who run all of the rental properties for either a broker or an investor, maybe even sometimes a builder. They can also run all the rental properties for a buyer or for a regular person that already has their own single family home, but they also decided to do some investing and buy an investment property. So property managers go ahead and help people get renters, do credit checks, do all the handyman repairs and all the cleanup to get a renter in to be able to give their client residual income of a monthly rental income. So question, which real estate niche has helped you the most, and have you found the success in? Comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, comment below, hit the like button, and of course, subscribe for more regular videos. See you next time.